In this video, we're going to remove this about us, remove this, move this to the trash, and also we're going to remove this about us.html, and also we're going to remove the index.html. From here, we're going to remove about us and also the index. And we're going to use a plugin that is going to create this HTML in our projects. We're going to close everything, and I'm going to open the terminal. I told in the last video that I was going to install Webpack dev server. First, I'm going to show you how to install the HTML Webpack plugin. So from here in the terminal, I'm going to add npm install save dev, and this pack is called npm HTML Webpack plugin. This is a plugin, so we're gonna install this. So now you can see that this is installed, and we're going to open the configuration file. Here on the top, I'm going to import the HTML Webpack plugin, const HTML Webpack plugin. This is going to be equals to require, and we're gonna require the HTML Webpack plugin inside quotes, HTML Webpack plugin. So below this optimization, I'm going to add a new portion. This is going to be the plugins. This is going to be an array, and it's going to be really easy. We're gonna add a new HTML Webpack plugin, and we're going to add the parentheses, and this is going to generate the default index.html file. If you remember, we generate that file earlier, and we can also pass some information right here. So first, let's run this and let's see the result. npm run build, and you can see we have this error, cannot resolve about.js, and this is because here on the entry point we added this about us, but we removed that file, so we're gonna remove this. npm run build again, and you can see this creates the index.html, and you can see the file is right here. So this is going to create the basic structure, and also is going to load the common bundle and also the index bundle by default. If you take a look here, you can see that this added the title Webpack app, and also it created all this structure. So let's see how we can create our own structure. And here on the src, I'm going to add a new file. I'm going to call this one index.html. And from here, you can create the structure that you want. I'm going to leave this like this, and I'm going to add a div ID client. So for example, you're using Bootstrap or something like that. This way you can create the code and use that classes into your projects. This is going to be div ID clients, plural. So save everything, and let's open the Webpack configuration file right here inside the parentheses. I'm going to add new properties. I'm going to call this one a template. This is going to be the template that is going to be used. src index.html is going to be used. And then we're going to create the title. We're going to add Webpack application or Webpack application, something like that. Application like this. So open the terminal, npm run build. You can see everything is working. Let's open the index.html, and you can see that we have the structure. We have also the clients. It's missing the title because we have the title right here. And in order to load the dynamic title that we are injecting from the file, I'm going to remove this and I'm going to paste this code. So we have HTML Webpack plugin .options.title. So we need to compile this again. npm run build. And let's open this file again, and now you can see we have our Webpack application. And using this technique, you can create your own templates. And the Webpack, HTML Webpack plugin is going to create the files. So now in the next video, I'm going to show you how to run the Webpack dev server.